Printify is a powerful print-on-demand platform, but before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know to make the most out of it. Stick around till the end of this video because we're going to cover 7 key things that could make or break your experience with Printify. Plus, we'll compare it to some competitors to give you a complete view. First things first, Printify is easy to use, but it's not the only player in the game. Printful, for instance, offers similar services, but Printify is known for its larger catalog and more affordable prices. This means if you're just starting your online business, Printify could give you a competitive edge when it comes to scaling quickly without upfront costs. The platform integrates smoothly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, allowing you to seamlessly sync your products, but do make sure your niche is well served by the product options available on Printify. Next thing, let's talk about the variety of products. Printify boasts a massive catalog, covering everything from t-shirts to phone cases, and even home decor. That's where Printify stands out over some competitors. Their partnerships with multiple print providers mean you have a wide range of products and customizable options. But don't get too excited just yet. Some items do come with limitations in terms of quality and customization, so always order samples before committing to any design. The third thing you need to know is about shipping. While Printify offers competitive pricing, shipping costs and delivery times vary, depending on the print provider you choose. That's important because you might be offering global shipping, and if your fulfillment partner's shipping costs are high or delivery times are slow, it could affect your customer satisfaction. Unlike other platforms that manage everything in-house, Printify relies on third-party vendors, which means less control over fulfillment. The fourth thing, pricing. Printify doesn't charge a monthly fee for using the platform, which is a huge benefit for those just starting out. However, the costs of printing products vary depending on the print provider you choose. Printify allows you to set your own retail prices, which gives you flexibility, but make sure you understand the base price for each product so you can calculate your margins effectively. Next, let's touch on integration. While Printify integrates easily with Shopify and Etsy, you might find that other platforms like WooCommerce have a steeper learning curve when it comes to syncing with Printify. If you're already using a platform like Shopify, things are smooth sailing, but if you're working with something else, be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. Now the sixth thing, customer support. Printify does offer support, but many users report slow response times when dealing with issues. This is something to keep in mind if you're running a business and need quick help. If you're used to the excellent customer service that platforms like Printful provide, you might find Printify lacking in this area. Finally, the seventh thing, print quality. While Printify has a range of print providers, the quality can vary significantly between them. Some printers have better color accuracy, while others might have faster turnaround times. This variability is something you need to consider when choosing your suppliers, as not all print providers have the same standards. Test out multiple suppliers before settling on one to ensure that your customers get the best experience possible. And if you want to try out Printify yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial for the software, along with exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test it for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business.